cake.
Cake. And then what is that?
What's it look like?
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
And then pickle.
Yep.
And then cheese.
Yep.
What are these?
Salami.
Salami. I like salami. I wish I want to eat salami.
You can have some for lunch.
And then what's that?
What's it look like?
I don't know.
A lollipop.
A lollipop. And then what's that?
What does it look like?
I don't know.
Pie.
Pie. And what's this? Hot sausage. Hot dog. What is that?
What's it look like?
Muffin.
Mm-hmm.
And then he gets tummy ache.
He did get a tummy ache.
Why?
Because he ate all that food. He ate too much.
He eat too much?
Yep.
He eat that or too much?
Yeah.
Yeah. That would happen. Is there sprinkles on there or spiders on there?
No, not spiders. It looks like there's some sprinkles on it.
And then some cherry too.
Yeah.
And then why does it go light black? And then light black brown. What's that? I wish I want to eat all of these.
You want to eat all of those?
Yeah.
But then you'll get a tummy ache like the caterpillar.
Yeah. I wish I want to eat that.
Watermelon?
Yeah.
We can get some watermelon.
What does it look like?
Like that.
But it goes like this. It's upside down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is the cupcake gonna fall? I think the ice cream's gonna fall.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
No, it's not. I told you it's not.
Oh, okay.